Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's your technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox another Bluetooth multimedia speaker. Here it is. It's from Sonilex. It's a Chinese brand and I got it from a local store, and it cost me $550, and it bigger in size than the last one you have seen. So let's check the box. Wireless multimedia speaker. Its model number is SLBS 190 FM. So it has a inbuilt FM in it. So let's check the other specs. Yeah, BD function, directly play music from USB disc, TF card, blah blah blah, all the stuff. And on the other side says FM radio, USB, TF card for phones, and micro lightning charging, rechargeable battery, auxiliary in. So that's it. And the battery is standby around 5 hours. FM radio frequency 87.5 to 108. So that's it, guys. So let's open it up. This is the box. It's completely black, and inside the box you get the speaker, and a micro USB charging cable and auxiliary cable. That's it, and nothing else in the box. Let's keep it aside and open the speaker. This blue color is looking very nice. Has two speakers on the both side, and at top you get the Sonilex logo. One button here, I think. Yeah, it's a button. It's also says ACE, and this is the model number, and it's the power button, and it's surrounded by a foam type of thing to identify it and also keep it safe, so accidentally you don't just when it is on, you just don't turn it on or turn it off like that. And here is plus and minus buttons for volume control, and at the back you get the USB charging port, the USB port, the auxiliary port, and the TF card port. So that's it. That's the bottom side, and this is the speaker. It's in blue color and working pretty good. And now it's time to turn it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Nice. Now let me pair my cell phone to it. Okay, here I'm searching. And I think this is it. Yeah, that's it. SLBS 190 FM. Let's pair it up.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, nice. Now let's open the YouTube and play some NC songs. Okay, so let me tell you about the sound. The sound is okay, it's quite clear, and the voice is pretty loud. I mean, louder than the rest of the music and all. And this thing doesn't have the passive radiator like the previous one, so the bass, I mean the sound is not so punchy like the other one, but it's okay. And the sound is pretty clear at the loudest volume, that's it. And the voice is a bit louder. So if you watch a movie in the mobile using this one, or you use this as the speakerphone for your mobile, oh, that would be nice. Because the voice is pretty clear and pretty loud.
But there's no time for weakness. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Sky.
Alright, so that's it, guys. This sound I told you about, the voice is pretty loud and clear, and the rest of the sound is okay. And that's it. This is also a cheap one, so you cannot expect like more from it. So it delivers what it's made for, and that's it, guys. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.